What's up, guys? I'm here with another video. So I'm gonna show y'all the way. I'm sure everybody knows already, so I'm gonna show you just the way to change a G35 oil. So I was already doing this video, but somebody called me and messed up the first video. So like I said, I still don't know how to work this whole deal. I'm recording with the iPhone, so I still don't know how to stop from calls coming through while I'm making a video. So I know it might be easy to a lot, but I'm still figuring it out. So whatever. Um, Anyways, I already have started it, so I'll tell y'all what I did. The only reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to share with y'all when I got this car. I checked the oil, and the oil was pretty dark, and so I was kind of curious of. I know for sure that the dealership did not change the oil in this car when I bought it. So who knows how far it went back to whoever had it. When's the last time they changed it? According to the little mileage thingy on there, that shit says fucking it wasn't changed like in 10,000-15,000 miles. So I was a little kind of skeptical about it, but I mean, the car's been driving fine. Everything's good. I've been checking the oil. I've been keeping quarts in there, just keeping it leveled. So anyways, like I said, I was already making a video, but these incoming calls keep coming through and messing up the video. So I'm restarting this one. Hopefully nobody will call me right now and mess up this video. But anyways, let me show y'all what I've done so far, and I'll show y'all how dark the oil was. Okay. Here's the car, my Infiniti. I'm using Pennzoil, high mileage, because the car has over 100,000. The oil filter, 14 millimeter. The oil has come out already. Let me show you how dark it was. Oh, it's pretty bright. Let me put it over here. Shade where I can see it. That is pretty nasty and dark. That's how much oil it had in it. I'm not sure if that's I don't think that's, I don't know. I'm thinking it was short on oil. Alright, let me put this back before more oil drips out. Alright. I removed the cap, but that motherfucker was hard. I'm talking about that shit was tight as hell. I had to put a rag on it and put this wrench on top and put force on it just to move that shit. That shit's crazy. Anyways, let me take the oil filter out. Let me take it off, I mean. I'm gonna use this rag because I don't have a tool to remove the filter, so I'm going to use my hands, and hopefully that shit is not tight, because even that bolt, 14 millimeter bolt, was tight as fuck. Sorry for the cursing, just a little irritated. Alright. I'm gonna put y'all down right quick. Ah, fuck. This ain't gonna be easy. I think I got it. I got it loose enough. Shit. Son of a bitch. Oil was definitely super dark. Man. Woo. So I'm gonna just drop it in here. Check that out. That is pretty filthy. Oozing out of both sides. Alright. Let's get the other filter out. Alright. Sorry, there's a lot of noise. There's somebody changing there's somebody cutting grass. So, like I said, I'm using Pennzoil high mileage 1030. Got the oil filter. Made in China. I guess it's a good one. Like I said, sorry, but I'm making this video myself. I don't have nobody helping me, so let me try and finish this shit with one hand. I guess you dip your finger in the oil, the new oil, and lubricate it around the rim. Y'all hear that? Always lubricate around the rim. No dirty joke, guys. Alright. It's set. So let me go ahead and set this down. I'm gonna set y'all down again. Sorry, I'm huffing and puffing, but it's not the comfortable spot to be. Hopefully it's clear enough y'all can see something. Alright. I don't know what y'all want to put first, the filter or the plug back, but I'm just gonna do whatever. They both got to go on anyway, so I'm putting the filter on. I'm just gonna hand tighten it. This was surprisingly not tight, not that tight, but the plug and that cap, oil cap up front, shit, that gave me hell. Alright, it's on pretty tight. Now let me get the plug Where the hell did that plug go? Fuck. Damn, I'm losing everything. Alright, I got it. Alright, got the plug. About to put it back. Move this out the way. I don't have any jack stands, so this might not be the perfectest way to lift the car, but I did it to the point where I didn't lift the car up too high, so in case it fell, it wouldn't fall on me, because I have two rocks. Let me show you. I have two stones up here, and it's not lifted too high, so if the car were to come down on me, it wouldn't really crush me or anything. So like I said, I didn't have jack stands, and I don't think that jack fits under here in the front. So lifted it up from there. Well, I rolled the car up on these stones enough for me to put the jack under and lift it up a little bit. So it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna tighten this bolt. You don't want to tighten it too crazy, just enough. That's it. That's tight. That's tight. Now let's put the oil in. Let me take this oil pan out. That's all I had. It's a pretty big, it's like a cat litter. It's a cat litter pan. I mean, you can use whatever, but this is all I had. I guess somebody stole my other one. I don't know where that went, but that's how dark and nasty the oil was. Ooh. All right. Looks like I got everything out of there. Now, let's put the oil in. Let's see if I have a oil, what you call it, an oil funnel. Fuck, I had one there. I think I see it. Sorry guys, I got it all up in this trash. I got it. Pretty dirty, but let me wash it out first. Gotta check this out. My son's crawfish, pet crawfish. Caught him the other day at the lake. My son didn't want to throw him back in there, so we kept him. I know I'm cleaning it in this bucket, but he's gonna come out. This is not his home. I just had him in here temporarily while I was cleaning out his home. All right, I think I got it clean enough. He's a feisty motherfucker too. Try to get him. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll leave him alone for now. All right. I'm trying to make this video quick for y'all. All right. Let me get this rag and dry this funnel out a little bit. The motor ain't too bad. Engine bay, it needs to be cleaned though, but not bad. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all over here. Like I said, sorry for the noise. There's somebody mowing the yard. Let's see if I can set y'all down. Hold on a second. Alright, I think that's good enough. I know I'm shirtless. Feels good outside though, out here in Texas. So feels good to put clean oil in this car. Finally, I've had this car for about not sure, maybe about 4 or 5 months. And I tell you what, it feels really good to see clean oil in this engine. There's a few times that I wanted to send it, but I was scared the oil was too jacked in here and I don't want to fuck something up. Now, you best believe I'm gonna send it with clean oil now, so I'll make a video of me busting donuts or something now that it has clean oil. Like I said, sorry for that noise. There's a damn airplane. God damn, excuse that. Sounds like fucking World War III or something. Anyways, I'm gonna make another video coming up of my 96 Chevy that I have, that my dad passed on to me. I really want to get that truck running. I have a 16-foot trailer that I want to put to work, so I don't have a truck other than that one. I mean, and the 63 Chevy, but that one's way too far from being running. This one right here, the last time it needed was just a battery, so hopefully that's all it needs. I'm gonna close it. And that's it, guys. Oil changed. "19 minutes, but it's done from that to clean oil. So and that's it, and you are good to go. I gotta get rid of all this mess, but there you go, guys. Easy change. All you need is a 14mm. Take that bolt off. Take the filter off. Take the cap off so it can drain easier. And fill it up. Put everything back and you're good. I'm sure there's a ton of videos out there about this, but like I said, I wanted to make it about mine. And stay tuned for another video coming up. See y'all later.